In this video, let's talk bikes. So sure, cars are cool, they look and sound good, but for commuting, they can be a bit of a nightmare. The morning commute can take longer, and with the rising, soaring costs of fuel, people are ditching their cars and using bikes as their preferred modes of transport. After the initial cost of purchasing the bike, no more fuel costs, and you can then skip past cars with ease. However, you don't want to be turning up to work all hot and sweaty, so electric travel is taking off, with people buying electric scooters and bikes. But electric bikes don't really look great. You see these huge battery packs on the side. They don't look like a classic bike, and this is until now. The new VanPower City Venture bike looks like a regular bike, but it's a fully electric pedal assist bike, which is perfect for commuting to work or leisure, and it keeps that traditional classic look. I am testing out the EU model, which is an 80-kilometer range, and unlike other electric bikes, is nice and lightweight, weighing 15.5 kilograms. This then makes it perfect in a city or traveling around to work, and it's also got all-weather tyres, and being lightweight makes it really easy to use for commuting. The bike has 5 speed modes on it. It goes from eco up to boost mode, or you can turn them off altogether, and it starts to work as soon as you begin pedaling via pedal assist. It's also got a controller on the left hand side, and this switches between all the different modes. We've all been in that situation on a tough hill on a manual bike, and there's certainly a time and place for that, but if you're going to be using a bike for leisure or for going to work, for commuting, you want to be able to get to work without looking like a wreck. And there's a 250 watt motor in the EU and a 350 watt motor for the US versions, and the one I've been using has been absolutely fine at getting up hills with no problems at all. So for commuting, this is then perfect. The assisted speed will also reach 15.5 miles an hour in the EU and 25 miles an hour in the US, and I find this is more than enough. And you can also go faster if you wish by simply just pedaling faster too. On the display of the computer, it also has a built-in trip computer, which is nice, and it shows the current speed, current range, and the average speed as well. And it is all completely waterproof. The handlebars have plenty of room for accessories, so I've mounted my usual DJI drone clip and on a PJI Tech action camera mount on the other side of this bike, so I can get some cool shots when I'm on this. And I liked how easily, when you are riding this, that you could see the screen. The screen is nice and bright, and being waterproof, there is no issues there, especially in the UK weather. And this bike, a good selling point, which I haven't seen anywhere else, is when you have finished, got to your destination, you can then simply go and recharge this. And this can be fully recharged in around 2 hours, which I haven't seen before on electric bikes. Normally, it's about 6 to 8 hours. So that alone is a fantastic feature. It's going to be more than enough for most people. When you're at work, 2 hours later, it's fully charged, but it's also got that 80-kilometer range, so you're probably not even going to need to charge it anyway. So I am impressed with this bike and the parts that come with it. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, it's got really cool tyres on here as well, and it's lightweight. So after testing this now for some time, I am thoroughly enjoyable and impressed with this bike, and I can recommend it to you guys. Electric bikes are allowing more and more people to get outdoors and get fit while having the assistance from the electric power. And this bike alone, I think, because it has that look of a classic mountain or commuter bike, people love this style. They managed to fit the battery in the down tube hidden away, so it doesn't have some huge chunky battery attached to it, which gives it that electric bike look that people don't really like. It also has a new gate belt, so gone are the days of the old rusty chains with grease on your fingers. This has a new gate belt which is more robust than the traditional chains as well. So overall, I've been looking for an electric bike for some time now that not only looks cool, but I can take around with me easily. Most electric bikes are really heavy at the moment, and that's its downside, whereas this, only being 15 kilograms, is one of the lightest electric bikes I've used, and also that charging ability in 2 hours, it's fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video showing you about this bike. This is now available, so I'll link it in the description below where you can pick this up from. This is by a company called VanPowers. They sell other electric bikes on their website, but this one is the City Venture, and it is currently on sale. I'll link in the description if you want to go and check it out. It's now currently available in 11 different colours. I've got the shining black, but you can get yellow and black, different colour blacks, neon colours, camos, loads of different colours to kind of customise it how you wish. So go and check it out. It's a pleasure to have been testing this. It's currently my favourite electric bike. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.